So the text that I was teaching 2 months ago came a beautiful phrase in it. I'll let you recite that phrase. It is in pure Sanskrit language from which all the Buddhist texts were translated into Chinese by great acharyas, great scholars like Kumarajiva and Shensang and Yitsing and so on. And the phrase that came in that particular sutra, recite for me, smera-smera-stimita.
Smera-smera-stimita.
Do you think it's a beautiful sound? Smera-smera, smiling, smiling. Stimita, stilled, serene. Like the face of Jesus, like the face of the Buddha, smiling, smiling, serene. When your mind is unhappy, remember this phrase. You can write it down. Smera-smera-stimita. Smiling, smiling, serene. Make that the condition, not of your lips, but of your mind. Your mind smiling, your mind smiling, your mind serene. Your mind not divided against itself. All the parts of the mind flowing like a calm stream of water. Okay? Like the face of Avalokiteshvara, like the face of Kuan Yin. Don't only worship, be like her because she is in you. Only because you cannot see her in you, that is why you make the statue outside and worship. Worship her here. And when you will worship her here, the world will think you are Kuan Yin. I'll teach you a few more Sanskrit phrases today. What is your nature? Can you say after me? Shuddha, Buddha, Mukta-svabhāva. Shuddha, Buddha, Mukta-svabhāva. Can you say it all together? Shuddha, Buddha, Mukta-svabhāva. Shuddha, Buddha, Mukta-svabhāva. Shuddha, Buddha, Mukta-svabhāva. Shuddha, ever pure. Buddha, ever enlightened. Mukta, ever liberated. Svabhāva, by nature. Okay? Shuddha, Buddha, Mukta, Svabhāva. Ever pure, ever enlightened, ever liberated by nature. If you cannot remember the phrases, you can listen to the CD and memorize those phrases. Whenever you are unhappy, depressed, smera-smera-stimita. Whenever you have a bad opinion about yourself, I am Shuddha, Buddha, Mukta-svabhāva. I am by nature pure, ever enlightened, ever liberated. And you will become like that. Slowly, slowly, slowly. 5 years from now, people say, you have changed.